Dictation of the Hindu editorial, newspaper words, and legal words outlines. So we ready? One, two, three starts. World Cup, United Arab Emirates, logistical, source based, board of control for cricket in India, Saurav Ganguly, tournament, qualifiers, Oman, proximity, desert sands, ambivalence, jaws, lit up, legendary, Sachin Tendulkar, Sri Lanka, propensity, belt tightening, abysmal, advance on behalf of the plaintiff, advance on behalf of the defendant, advance by the learned advocate for the accused appellant, advance by the learned advocate for the plaintiff, advanced by the learned advocate for the respondent, advanced by the learned counsel for the accused appellant, advanced by the learned counsel for the defendant, advanced by the learned counsel for the petitioner, annulment of the marriage, argued before me, argued before me by the learned advocate for the plaintiff, argued before me by the learned advocate for the plaintiff, argued by the learned counsel for the plaintiff, argued on behalf of the accused, argued on behalf of the complainant, argued on behalf of the defendant, argued on behalf of the plaintiff, arguments advanced by the learned counsel for the plaintiff, arguments advanced on behalf of the respondent, all the cost of repetition, at the cost of repetition, bring home the guilt of the accused, committed an offence with which they are charged, committed the offences with which they are charged, categorically stated before me, categorically stated in his evidence, contention advanced on behalf of the plaintiff, contention advanced on behalf of the respondent, convicted and sentenced, convict and sentence the accused, conviction and sentence, conviction and sentence passed by the learned judge, conviction and sentence passed by the learned magistrate, conviction and sentence passed by the declaration and injunction, degree or order of the civil code, exchange of words, failed to bring home the guilt of the accused for the same of our arguments from the evidence of prosecution witness in the public interest in the case of the complainant. It is case of the plaintiff. I am of the firm opinion in possession and enjoyment of the properties. Interested testimony of prosecution witnesses. It is contended by the learned counsel for the first defendant. It is contended by the learned counsel for the first plaintiff. It is contended by the learned counsel for the second defendant. It is contended on behalf of the defendant. It is contended on behalf of the accused appellant. It is contended on behalf of the complainant. It is contended on behalf of the petitioner. It is contended on behalf of the plaintiff. It was contended on behalf of the defendant. It was urged by the learned counsel for the defense. Learned counsel for the accused argued before me. Learned counsel for the defendant argued before me. Learned judge of the High Court. On the date of incident, on the date of occurrence, order to be destroyed, order to be returned, possession and enjoyment of the house, possession and enjoyment of the land, possession and enjoyment of the schedule mentioned property, possession and enjoyment of the suit schedule house, public service commission, quasi judicial proceedings, sentence to suffer RI, sentence to suffer SI, specific relief, specific time to limitation. Taking all these facts into consideration, there is good force in this contention. There is no good force in the contention. There is good force in this contention. Urged on behalf of the accused appellant, urged on behalf of the defendant, vehemently argued before me, vehemently argued before me by the learned counsel for the accused, vehemently argued before me by the learned counsel for the defendant, vehemently argued before me by the learned counsel for the plaintiff, with which he is charged, with which they are charged. Amicus curiae caused disturbance to the public place. Claim for alimony, claim for compensation, commission warrant, cooperative movement, doctrine of stare diseases, Hindu law of inheritance, Hindu Women's Rights to Property Act, husband and wife. I am of the firm view, in order to bring home the guilt of the accused, insult, annoy, or intimidate, insult, intimidate, or annoy, intimidate, annoy, or insult, intimidate, insult, or annoy. It is further urged by the learned public prosecutor. It is well established law. It is submitted by the learned advocate for accused. It is submitted by the learned advocate for defendant. It is submitted by the learned advocate for plaintiff. It should go to so. May I take the opportunity